another story coming right up. And you can always learn more about Theodore Tugboat on the internet. Find us through PBS Online.
Pushing and a pulling in the great big harbor, in the great big world is so much fun. So many brand new things to discover. Waking with the sun, gotta get the job done on Theodore and Emily. Oda, Hank, and George, and the harbor master too.
Hello. I'm trying to reach the dispatcher down in the harbor, but this radio is sounding very fuzzy. I wonder what Captain Jerome would do. See, Captain Jerome was my old sea captain. He did everything perfect. He'd probably just turn it like this. That's still fuzzy. You know what Captain Jerome would do? He'd probably pick it up and give it a good shake like a... Oh, now I can't hear anything. I wonder if I broke it. Well, Captain Jerome always did everything so perfectly. Of course, I know what Theodore would say about being perfect. See, not long ago, Benjamin Bridge started snoring. Oh, and then Rebecca started. Maybe I better begin at the beginning. It was a sleepy summer evening in the big harbor. Not a boat or bellboat or barnacle was stirring. Everything was calm and cool and quiet. Except there was one little sound. A small, buzzing bee kind of sound. It could have been a big wood sawing noise. Until finally it was a giant, anchor-rattling, harbor-rocking roar. Benjamin Bridge was snoring. It was the loudest snoring you ever heard. Now, right below Benjamin is the Oceanic Institute, and that's where Rebecca, the research vessel, lives. Benjamin was snoring so loudly, Rebecca couldn't sleep. The next morning, Theodore was waiting for Rebecca with Shelburne and the giant sea barge. Rebecca was going to take them underwater exploring. "Here she comes," shouted Theodore. "Good morning," he whistled to Rebecca. But Rebecca didn't look like it was a good morning. You see, she was feeling tired because Benjamin Bridge had kept her up all night with his loud snoring. "Where are we going today?" asked Shelburne in his slow kind of voice. "Someplace," replied Rebecca sleepily. "Someplace," Theodore repeated to Shelburne. Theodore was a little puzzled. Rebecca was always so cheerful. But today, she seemed, well, kind of grumpy. Rebecca led them to a small island they had never seen before, just outside the big harbor. "What are we looking for?" asked Shelburne. Something," Rebecca yawned again. "Something special, I bet," Theodore whispered to Shelburne. "Rebecca always finds special things." Well, Theodore was so enthusiastic, Rebecca quickly forgot how tired and grumpy she was. Long ago, she explained, this island was almost all underwater, and ships couldn't see it. A lot of ships bumped into it and sank. Maybe some of their things are still down there. "Rebecca," smiled Theodore, "you know everything." Just then, Rebecca's special equipment told her they found something. "Look, right under here," she ordered. She moved out of the way, and Theodore pushed Shelburne into position. The big barge lowered his dredge to scoop up treasure from the bottom. Shelburne was working very slowly, like he usually did. "Shelburne," said Theodore impatiently. Can you please hurry up? Oh, it's a nice day, smiled Rebecca. No big hurry. No big hurry, Shelburne. Theodore smiled, just like Rebecca. It is a nice day. Down the bottom of the ocean, Shelburne's dredge hit something. He caught it. And brought up a wonderful old ship's bell. Well, everyone let out excited whistles. Rebecca, said Theodore, that was really great. A little later, everyone headed home. Rebecca turned for her dock, tooting the little tune. Goodbye. Theodore tooted a tune to say goodbye on his whistle, just the same as Rebecca had done.
Rebecca sure is nice,
said Shelburne. Nice, smiled Theodore. Rebecca is perfect.